Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Motorola Moto G9 Play. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is on the bottom right here, then next is located on top of your screen right there. And that's the phone call speaker. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming from only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.